How to use One4All gift card online. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can use One4All gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to use One4All gift card online, One4All gift card actually can be used in various retail platforms. So if you come to this website, I'll make sure to drop a link below. It says you can actually use your One4All gift card online in several retailers, and in order to check those retailers as to which retailer supports One4All gift card, you can click on spend online retailers option here, and these are simply some of the sites that does allow you to use. So if you're shopping from Boohoo, you can use your gift card on Boohoo, but while you're checking out, you have Boohoo man version, you have Argento, you have Adventure Experiences, Airline Gift, American Golf, and the process to redeem on each of these is actually different. Normally what works is that you go to the checkout process, enter the card details where you enter your One4All gift card, then you will be able to redeem them. This way you should be able to use your One4All gift card online. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.